Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This time I have a TONOR Studio boom arm in here. It's a professional boom arm for the microphones, and it says that it works with blue microphones. It also has a mount clamp, arm stand, pop filter and microphone clip. So supposed to be really good stuff, so let's check it out. TONORMake.com if you want to check it. So what do we have? A manual, instruction manual. Really don't need it. That is the pop filter. It's really good stuff, by the way. I have exactly like this, one of these exactly like this one. I have it on my blue microphone. If you don't know what it is, it's like if you do this pop sound or like scream in the microphone like most YouTubers do nowadays, so it doesn't, make this scratchy noise and stuff. So what do we have in here? It's a very weird box, guys. Very weird box. That's cool. I think this is for the Blue Yeti. I don't have a Blue Yeti, I have a Blue Snowball. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of the review area. It's a bit too big. This is some kind of instruction thing. Another one. Let's put this in there. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of this, shall we? This is the boom itself. Yep. There's something hiding in here. Look. There's something in there. I think this is yeah, that's empty. So what do we have in here? This is some kind of velcro thing. Gonna try to unvelcro this. See, like this kind of thing. There's actually 3 of them. No, 4 of them. Look at that. This is like some clown car, man. It just keep coming. Look at that. TONOR. Ah, yeah, man. So, I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with these. I guess these are for the cables. Yeah, definitely these are for the cables. Yep, that's how you put them. Let me try to show you better. Like so. It goes in the hole, man. And then it clips on like this. So I'm guessing these are the cable holders. That's actually pretty good. I don't know, I haven't decided it if I'm gonna use this or not. Mine is kind of like a DIY thing. Oh my god. Don't touch this. What is this thing in here? Let's see. That is the microphone clamp. Oh. So, I believe this is where the Blue Snowball goes, into this thing. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if I wanna use this or not myself, because mine is perfectly fine. Oh yeah, this is good one, guys. I'm definitely gonna use this, I think. This is just the first look, so I'll just get rid of all this in here. That's the boom itself. This bag is a little bit too small for it. It ripped from here. Oh, mean. Yeah, mean. I really like this bag though. This material of the bag. It's like this silkish rubber. It's really nice. Not rubber, plastic. It's like really spring loaded. No way. They did not put this in here. Where is this, a gun or something? Oh man. Spring loaded, it's like okay. This is how you do it. This is actually really good. And this is a professional thing, guys. So I believe, yeah, this end in here is gonna sit in there. And look at that, it has 3 in here. I think mine has 2. Yeah, this is definitely cool. This is very cool. So this goes, this sits on your table edge, like in here, and then this attaches to this thing. Yeah, this is really good, guys. I'm sorry I don't have that much room in this review area. I'm trying to show it best as I can in here. See, that's how it sits in here. I'm not sure if I will use this, yeah. And then this moves from all the way from here, I believe. Let's, yeah, it's difficult moving it like this. And then these things in here are for adjusting the strength. This one, I believe, where does this go? No. Is it this one? Yeah, it goes on this one. Sorry, out of the area again a little bit. How does this move? Okay. Why is there two of these? I'm trying to... Oops. Ah, god damn it. It fell on the ground. Trying to figure out what these two are. Why is there two of these? They look the same. I think these are the different microphone holders for different microphones, I'm guessing. It goes right on top in here. Yep, both go in here. From the first look, I'd say it's pretty good quality stuff, man. But the microphone itself, where does it go then? And this is where the microphone goes. Sits in here. It says it works with blue. This I don't like. It's like very fragile. This feels very fragile, and if you accidentally break it, then... And this thing, it's also really good if you want even better quality. It eliminates some background noises and stuff. And basically, if you use this, then it has to be quite close to your, mouth, the microphone, if you're gonna use these. That's also very, very thick in here, so it's pretty good. I would definitely recommend using this. I believe it goes over the Blue Yeti. I'm pretty sure it does. So, and this thing in here, the pop filter, this is supposed to attach in here into this one. So it has, if I show you close, see the end of angle it has on this one and this one. So it clamps exactly. Let me try to show you properly where I'm gonna put it. Yeah. Okay, I think you can see it from here. So you can put it under the angle in here, and it's supposed to go like so. Yep, you can see it how it goes, and then you screw this one in there. Whoops. This is how it goes, see? Whoops. Like so. And then the pop filter, you can adjust this the way you want, and you turn it in the front of the microphone wherever you want it. So that's how this thing works, man. Here you have this awesome TONOR Professional Studio Boom Arm, guys. If you have a microphone that needs this, then this is definitely the way to go. And I will see ya next time.